Ugh. Ugh. Okay, so we're currently in the back of the airplane. We have some weather conditions. We're about to head up in there because I'm trying to go to Florida right now. Actually, we're all going to LA. You know, Hollywood, the area. But we're in some trouble right now. The weather conditions. Since I live in, I'm sorry, in a part of the United States, not Florida though. I live in NYC, so it's gonna take a little bit. It's gonna take a while. Don't live in Nevada. Oh my god. Woo! Get in here. The weather's quite bad. Oh shoot, is that a thunderstorm? No way. Hey. Why are we going through this weather, man? Attention all passengers, please do not freak out. We are in a thunderstorm currently. So, yeah. Hopefully you're still alive. Don't say that! What did I tell you about saying this? My god! I'm scared. I want my mom. There's no turning back now. We actually might be dead. What? Be positive! Oh wait, that's not my thing now. Woo! It's raining out there, huh? Update! The lights were flickering. Oh! Never mind. My god, I swear. What do you think's gonna happen? I don't know. God knows what will. Oh, look at the weather over there. Oh, I'm kind of freaked out right now. Guys, it's gonna be okay. We're not gonna crash. I think we are. Come to shut up. Remember what High Zombie said. So, are we gonna test this on the dummy or what? We still have a long time. Oh my god, something can go wrong. Okay, so... Garfield, our plane has been hit! What? All passengers, please calm down. We will make an emergency landing. Dang it, dude! Just hit the engine, huh? Okay, so... Hit the wing of the plane! Oh no, that's not good. Oh god! This better not happen. Oh shoot, so I think we're... Oh, what is going on out there? I think we're okay. Oh. Oh, that doesn't mean anything good. God, I don't even think we're gonna live. Whoa! Look behind you! Oh, dude! happened? I'm invincible! Ow! I think we just hit the wall! Uh-oh. Ah! Oh my God! Ah! We're all gonna die! We're all gonna die, man! Oh! 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 Oh my God! Oh! It killed him! Doctor! Why did you let go? Ah! The plane! Oh! I don't wanna go! I gotta get off! I gotta get off! What God, man? Oh! Doctor! Oh my God! I need to get off now! Now! Man, what's going on? Bro, watch out! Huh? What? It's breaking! Ah! Ah! Why? Oh my God! There! Ah! Hold on! Why? Ah! You have to help! Get off me! Oh! Oh my God, man! There's a hole! Ah! Stop! 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 Don't let go! Oh no! I can't! I can't! Oh! Oh! That would have been close, huh? Oh my God! Woo! Man, that was so close to literally crushing. Ah! You wanna let us out of the plane, man? Oh my God! Ah! Ah! Dude! Let us out of the back of the plane! Let us out of the back of the plane! Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God! God! Garfield, we'll make it through. Garfield. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, he's dead! Oh my God! We're not gonna make it, man! Oh, everyone's dying! No, I called it! You guys shouldn't have listened to me. Oh my God, what do we do? Wait, didn't you bring a dartboard? Yeah. Ah! Oh my God! He's dead! Oh! We're not gonna make it, man. Oh! Oh! Oh, where's the lights? Oh God! Oh! They're all dead. Not everyone. We still got one passporter. Oh, that didn't make sense. We still got a pot. We still got a guy in the cockpit. Oh, the lights they're out. Someone just got sniped in the head, dude. Oh, what's next? People literally flew out the plane. A bunch of dead people, man. Oh. Yeah, Cowboy Sam. I hear him. Oh. I didn't fall out the plane. I didn't fly out the plane. What about the others? Dogtube didn't make it. It was splat all over the ground. Sam, what do we do? The best thing we can do is hope that we live another day. Oh, I can't. Where's the lights? What lights, zombie? We're still hanging on. That zombie? Wasn't he crushed? What about John? Don't worry, guys. I'm still here. Oh, the lights. Dude, move from right there. He put his dartboard. What I tell you I'd live, huh? You didn't listen. Oh shoot, oh shoot.